Okay, welcome back. Thank you for joining us during our series about the nonprofit environment and the generosity crisis that we've seen over the last couple of years. What we'd like to really focus on this time is systems and technology that nonprofits are using, and really like to walk through an example of what we've seen with a company or an organization that we've worked with, and the challenges that they faced, and then ultimately where they are now. And so I want Laura from our team here to talk through that.
Hi there. So obviously we come in and kind of look at the environment holistically and the technology suite that an organization has in place. Many times we see those pieces of technology not speaking to one another. So that could be one reason they might want to make a change. Also, during the COVID time, there were a lot more funders, a lot more even individual givers, a larger donor file size to manage. And so that makes your CRM system that much more important, that it's robust enough to handle a lot of data. You always want your enterprise resource planning system, your accounting system, to connect to that customer system if possible, because it just makes for better accounting, better reconciliations, a lot less of a manual process. So we look at that entire technology suite, and we're able to make recommendations on them even going to potentially other solutions that will help connect the systems, also help with the level of transactions that they might be encountering. And then some systems are just limited. For example, you might want to create a budget by different types of grants, and some systems won't allow you to do that, or others will. So I see many times where Excel spreadsheets, which, back in the day, like everyone wants to use Excel all the time, but if you get so many Excel spreadsheets and a lot of manual nature of processing some of these reports, it just becomes too much as you grow and expand to be able to do this through Excel. And so you're really looking for systems to make the process more efficient for you. And instead of having to export the data, do it in Excel, and the work you do, and then get the reports out, like what a beautiful thing if the system can actually do that for you.
Yeah, and if you are using Excel after you've implemented the system, and you're using it more than you should be, then it's probably important to really understand, was the system implemented appropriately?
That's right. Because
we want to avoid the workarounds that we all rely on sometimes.
Yes, and that sometimes comes back to training too. I've seen where a system's not optimized, or people just don't understand how to use it. You haven't gotten the right training down at the right levels, and they go back to their old faithful Excel spreadsheet.
Yep.